Welcome back to BBB's 5-Minute English, where real life meets simple English. I'm Luis.
And I'm Emmy. Today's topic is one many people can relate to, the feeling after a long holiday. The golden week is ending, and many of us are going back to work or school. But we don't feel ready, right?
Exactly. You wake up late, your mind still feels like it's on vacation, and suddenly, boom. Emails, meetings, traffic, alarms. That holiday hangover feeling? It's real.
Psychologists call it the post-holiday blues. It's when you feel a little sad, tired, or unmotivated after a fun break. And it's completely normal.
So today, we'll talk about why this happens and, more importantly, how to reset your body and mind after a long break.
Let's start with the first reason. During the holiday, we change our routines. We eat at random times, sleep late, wake up late, travel, stay up scrolling on our phones. When the holiday ends, our body gets confused.
Yes. It's like your body says, wait, what happened to my late night snacks and no alarm clock? So the first tip is, don't try to go back to work mode in one day. Give yourself a soft landing.
A soft landing, that's a great expression. It means to go back slowly, not suddenly. For example, start sleeping a bit earlier every night, or prepare your bag and clothes the night before work. Small steps make a big difference.
The second tip is to move your body. Many people feel lazy after holidays because they stop exercising. Even a short walk can wake up your energy. Go outside, stretch, or take a walk after dinner. It helps reset your rhythm.
True. And it's not about burning calories, but about reminding your brain, hey, it's time to move again. Our body and mind are connected. Physical movement can help you feel more positive.
Now, tip number 3, organize your space. After a trip or a long rest, our room or desk can get messy. Cleaning your area helps your brain feel fresh too. A clear desk equals a clear mind.
I totally agree. I always clean my desk on Sunday night. When Monday starts, everything feels easier. It's a small trick, but it works.
Okay, let's take a quick break for our listener question. We want to hear from you. How do you usually feel after a long holiday? A. Excited to go back. B. Lazy but trying. C. Totally not ready. Write your answer in the comments, we'll check which one gets the most votes.
I think most people will choose C. But hey, that's okay. Here comes our next tip, eat well. During holidays, we often eat too much junk food or snacks. Now, it's time to give your body real fuel again, fruits, vegetables, water.
Right. What we eat affects how we feel. If you keep eating heavy food, you'll feel heavy. Try something simple, like warm soup, green vegetables, or rice with eggs. Your body will thank you.
Tip number 5, reduce your screen time. Many people spend hours on social media during holidays, watching videos or photos of other people's trips. But after the holiday, that can make you feel worse.
Exactly. It's like you start comparing your life with others, their vacation looked better than mine. So try a small digital detox. Put your phone away for 1 hour before bed. That's a real reset.
I love that. And if you can, spend time offline, maybe read a book, talk to your family, or take a walk in the park. Real life is still the best screen.
Here's tip number 6, make small goals for your first week back. Don't expect yourself to do everything perfectly. Instead, focus on one thing, like finishing a project, organizing your notes, or cooking a healthy meal.
Yes, small goals give us quick wins. When we complete something simple, we feel more confident and ready to do more. It's like warming up before running a marathon.
Tip number 7, reconnect with people. Sometimes, after the holiday, we feel lonely or quiet. Talking with coworkers, friends, or classmates can help us feel normal again.
Humans are social creatures. Even short chats can boost our mood. You can start by asking, "How was your holiday?" Everyone has something funny to share.
And our final tip, be kind to yourself. Don't feel bad if you're not 100% ready. Everyone needs time to switch from holiday mode to normal life. It's okay to feel slow for a few days.
Exactly. The holiday was a break, not a competition. The goal is not to rush back but to find your balance again.
Before we wrap up, let's learn 3 words from today's topic. The first one is routine. Routine means something you do regularly, like your daily habits. Example, my morning routine includes coffee and music. Another one, a good routine helps you stay focused.
The second word is reset. Reset means to start again or return to normal. Example, I need to reset my sleep schedule after the holiday. Or, let's reset our goals for the new month.
And the third one is energy. Energy means power or strength to do things. Example, I have more energy after I exercise. Or, coffee gives me energy in the morning.
Great words. So remember, to beat the post-holiday blues, reset your routine, move your body, eat well, and take small steps. You'll be back on track before you know it.
Thanks for listening to BBB's 5-Minute English. Don't forget to like, share, and tell us your favorite way to beat the post-holiday blues in the comments.
We'll see you next time. And remember, it's okay to feel slow, just keep moving forward, one small step at a time. Bye everyone.
Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I truly appreciate your support. Before you leave, please give this video a like and add it to your favorites. And if you'd like to keep learning together with me, don't forget to subscribe to BBB Learning English. See you in the next video.